folks, it's Self-Check 8.22 Abstraction. We're going to be looking at two different questions, but both are super related to each other, so both are super important. We're asked, what is abstraction? Now, you can read through the incorrect answers on your own. They're either not right or they're a bit silly. So the correct answer to what is abstraction, right? Because that's what we want to know. It's the ability to focus on a problem at a higher level without worrying about the minor details. So when you drive a car, if you drive, let's say, a Tesla, your main input, your basic only input is the steering wheel, right? And the pedals. But we know the steering wheel and the pedals behind that, there's so much that goes into actually moving the car forward. That's all abstracted from the user, which is essentially the same thing here in code. So that's abstraction. We also have, how do objects provide abstraction? Now, there are some tricky ones in here, but I'm only going to give you the right one for this. How do objects provide abstraction? It's by giving us more powerful pieces of data that have sophisticated behavior without having to manage and manipulate the data directly. So if we have all of these different functions inside of a specific class, that's abstracted from the user, right? All of that code is abstracted, and really we're just passing in things as parameters and we're getting a result back. We don't see all the code going behind it. That's why it's so powerful, because these classes can be used for multiple different objects, right? And you don't have to redeclare it every single time. So that is 8.22 abstraction. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them.